Greetings, Aries. So I'm coming to you with a quick reading. So let's get started. We're going to start off with your houses. Okay. So the first house you received was hopes and wishes. This is the 11th house. So, um, and I did use the Kipper and the Kipper Oracle and the Zillich Tarot to clarify these houses. If you're interested in these decks, I will have them linked below in the description, and I will have a free link to a free natal chart. So the first card from the Kipper you received was imprisonment. The number 29 could be of some significance. So this could be literally actual being imprisoned physically or mentally. Okay. The mature man came out after that, which is the and the number 5 can be of some significance. So I feel like a mature man is either physically in prison, or they're going to be physically in prison, or they are mentally imprisoned. Okay. Then we have the Chariot from the Zillich Tarot. The number 7 can be of some significance. And with all three cards together, I feel like this is imprisonment coming in for a mature man. Next, you receive the past, fourth house. Okay, so this says distance horizons from the Kipper deck. Then we have the number 36. From the Zillich Tarot, you receive the Six of Cups, which talks about pleasure. So I feel like something from the past could be coming back into play that may bring you lots of pleasure. Okay. Someone could have rekindled something with someone from the past recently. Okay. Or just take what resonates. This could be an individual, this could be career wise. Okay. Next we have assets, possessions. This is the second house. From the Kipper, you received concern. The number 33 could be of some significance. From the Zillich, you received Queen of Swords in reverse, and then you received the Hierophant. So, this Queen of Swords could be in reverse, could be concerned with assets, material things. Okay. This person can also be an authoritative figure. Okay. Next, we have your Hertz music. So the first card you received was take a spiritual bath. And I list some necessities when it comes to, taking a spiritual bath. So the first thing we have are candles to fit the mood or day. What I mean by that is, say for instance, if you choose to take a bath on a Friday, a spiritual bath on a Friday, you will use pink candles. We know Friday is associated with the planet Venus, so you will use pink candles to set the mood and things of that nature, and to bring in that self-love and self-respect and self-worth. Next, we have Himalayan sea salt or Epsom salt. Then you have lavender. Next, we have roses. Then we have jasmine. Afterwards, we have rosemary, chamomile, cinnamon sticks. We have oranges. And lastly, we have lemons. Okay. Next, you received Hertz 285. Hertz 285 helps with healing tissue and organs. It also influences energy field. It is the Earth star, quantum cognition, and it reconstructs energy as well. Next, you have Hertz 888, and this brings about infinite abundance, endless possibilities, love and wealth, big blessings, transforms things into abundance, so you can transmute energy into abundance, and it brings miracles into your life. Next, we have random words. So the random words you received were wealth. We have acoustics. We have mailbox. Then we have advice. And lastly, you receive the word fruit. Okay. Then we have some rainbow random words for you. So the first word you received, Aries, was TikTok. Okay. We have Yemaya. We have Moonstone. We have Amethyst. Victory. We have Matrix. You receive the saying, in order to love who you truly are, you cannot hate the experiences that shaped you. Next, you receive white. You receive guardian angels. You received innocence loss. Next, we have sigil. You receive the saying, inhale power, exhale doubt. Then you receive the word pregnant, and we have my life. Next, Aries, we're going to do your angel cards. Bear with me because I do butcher these angel names. So the first angel you received was Yavel. The dates July 7th through the 11th may be of some significance. This angel grants fortune. Then you received angel Cahatel. The dates April 27th through the 30th may be of some significance. This angel fights against evil. Next, we have Angel Mahasaya. The dates April 10th through the 14th may be of some significance. This angel grants harmony. Okay, so that is everything I have for you, Aries. I hope you enjoyed this quick reading. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you all supporting my platform, and I will talk to you all in the next reading.